Is that a camera?
Yeah. I'm recording you.
He just recorded that whole conversation. He's gonna put it on YouTube.
It starts now.
The whole weird mood conversation.
Lisa has a weird boob.
Video footage.
Yes, you do. Right there.
I'm gonna get MRSA.
Why would you have Bloody MRSA in your back?
Because she scratched the shit out of my back. She's like, I don't know my purse.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
Girls Gone Wild!
Yeah.
Well, that fucker got sued for taxes again. That Joe fucking Francis. Get out of it. How much money does he have by now? Like, honestly, he's paid them like $100 million for taxes. Like, how much money does that guy have? Like, he has his own plane though. William, you're a turd. You're a turd.
In a turd?
They let me smell. I'll be the shit.
You need something? You need something?
Hey, you feet on the table, yeah.
Bill. You want a rattlesnake? I'll get one more Long Island, then I'll close out. I don't know, man. Hold on to it.
Let's see your sideburns. Oh shit, looking sexy. Is it still recording?
Yep.
Are you serious? Is this going on Facebook?
YouTube. I have my own channel.
Very nice. I'm impressed.
I'm impressed with George fucking Mohawk.
You want me impressed with something else?
Yeah, let's do it.
No, he won't let me.